Hey guys, good morning. I hope you all are great today. So today in this video, I will tell you about the Snapfeed Express website. So basically from last couple of weeks, most of the people who reaching me on WhatsApp and they asking the few question about this website, like how can we earn money from this website, and most of the people who already earn money from this website but they didn't deposit yet any money to in their personal bank account. So I will tell you about the Snapfeed Express website, basically how it's work and how they reach you, like how they reach us to participate in this website, to start work on it and to earn money. But I can tell you one thing, Snapfeed Express website is like the picture and the video website where we can upload the pictures and the videos just to earn money from it. Secondly, how they reach you, like they reach you from the social media platforms, like if you have the Facebook, if you have the Instagram, and they text you and they ask you to work on this website. If you are artist, like if you are the good photographer, then if you upload the pictures and the videos on this website, then we will buy from you. Then after the person who accept the invitation and he join this website to work on it to earn money from it by uploading the pictures, after that he can never earn money from this website because they are doing spam, they are doing fraud. This is not the real earning website. And if you're thinking to earn money from any platform, first you can research about it. You can research on Google, you can research on chat gpt, you can research on Instagram. There are the many social media platforms where you can search each and everything. So please, and I will give you the good advice, and maybe it will be good for you and you will be pray for me. Believe me, this is the good advice for all of you who they are working on this website as well, and who they are working on the other media, other social media platform where like the most of the people are doing this spam. So please don't share your any personal info, any personal documents on this website as well, on the other website who they are doing spam, because this is the privacy of your personal info, this is the privacy of yours. So please don't share your documents like the bank documents on this website. They will never provide you any earning, and they are not providing you the real earning. Because if you can search on Google, like if you see the ratings on this website as well, like you can go on Snapfeed Express website, like you can not see like any ratings, you cannot see any comments on this website. And because if you like message on this website, like the customer support message, and also they will never answer to you as well. Like this is the example I'm giving you. So please don't work on this website and don't waste your time as well on this website. If you like my this video, so please click on like button as well. And if you need the online courses, if you need like the online tutorials, so also you can subscribe to my channel as well. And thank you so much.